For the first time in more than 2 years, the federal government is getting set to table a budget. Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland says her Liberal government will unveil its budget on April 19th. The feds opted not to introduce one last year due to the uncertainty caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Ontario's provincial government will deliver its annual budget tomorrow. And Richard Southern joins us to chat about some of the day's other big business stories, including the red-hot real estate market, Richard.
Yeah, everyone moving out of Toronto is making prices for cottages, Erica, rather expensive. We had real estate company Royal LePage come out today with its cottage country forecast, and it says prices are going to rise 17% here in Ontario cottage country. The average price, $547,000. Of course, back here in Toronto, prices are continuing to skyrocket. The average Toronto house above $1 million. Here's the really interesting thing, though, Erica. I talked to the president of Royal LePage today. He tells me he thinks storm clouds are gathering on the housing market horizon.
It is completely unreasonable right now, and it's not going to last. This is one of those once-a-decade spikes. We had one in the middle of the last decade. We had one in the 2000s. It will not last.
So you're saying there's a correction coming in the housing market?
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's quite the statement from someone who makes a lot of money, one would assume, selling houses. He does tell me, though, Erica, that he believes prices will hold up. It's the volume of sales he foresees dropping at some point soon.
All right, and the owners of Canada's largest grocery store chain are looking to sell off part of their business.
Yes, George Weston looking to sell its West Bakery business. We're going to make you hungry here with some nice bread, B-roll. These guys, they own a lot, the Weston Bakery. They bake a lot of things. All the Ace products they make, the Italiano products they make as well, and Wonder Bread they make. Anyways, George Weston looking to sell this business to focus more on its Loblaws operations and to focus more on its real estate operations. This is a 139-year-old baker. The potential sale also comes, Erica, as more and more people are baking their bread at home now because of the pandemic, not so much buying it in stores.
I got to learn to do that at some point.
Me too.
And finally, Microsoft is reportedly in talks to expand its foothold in the gaming industry.
Yeah, unless you're a gamer or, you got a gamer in your household, you may not have heard of Discord, but it's a very popular program online that lets you have a voice chat with other people on the internet, and gamers really like it. Microsoft reportedly looking to spend $10 billion to buy Discord, according to Bloomberg News. And some analysts say this might make sense. It would give Microsoft the 140 million monthly users Discord has, and it would be a nice pairing to Microsoft's Xbox video game system. We saw Microsoft stock move higher on that news today. The broader markets, though, moving lower. As you saw, the Dow was down 300.